Let's continue our recommender client. So we left off with the constructor. So we went ahead and built the book constructor. And so now I'm going to add in our first set of items, which is going to be the Be Prepared for the AP Computer Science exam by Gary and Maria Litvin, who happen to have donated a number of multiple choice questions for this course. So we added the first item. Let's compile, and it works. OK, so now let's add another item. Let's add a movie. So for the movie, we can leave it empty because it has a default constructor. We'll get back, once we build the constructor for movie, we'll come back to that. And we're going to make sure that items.add new book works. And let's compile. And it works. Now, what am I doing? What I'm doing is I'm testing out to make sure the code that I wrote actually works. There's another way to do testing that we're going to cover a little bit later. But for now, we're going to test each item as is. We're going to do items.add new textbook, which is our last one. And let's see if that compiles as well. Now, why does that compile? The reason it compiles is because I added a default empty constructor into book. So normally constructors are not inherited. Only methods are inherited. But when I added a default constructor into book, so when textbook looks for a constructor, it sees that it doesn't even have a constructor, so it goes back to its previous level, and that becomes the constructor.